Welcome to Line Down. I'm Gail Towle with Ames Solder, here to help resolve your production line problems. Today, we have a question from Sam who writes, we're currently qualifying a new high reliability paste that should meet all of our requirements for thermal cycling, drop shock, and more, but we're having a lot of problems with voiding. What's going on? Good question, Sam. When qualifying a new high reliability solder paste, it's crucial to consider that some formulations may prioritize certain performance aspects, such as thermal cycling and drop shock resistance, at the expense of other features like reduced voiding. This is often due to the complex nature of solder paste formulation, where enhancing one characteristic can inadvertently affect others. Voiding in solder joints can occur for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to the paste formulation itself, reflow profile settings, and the substrate and component design. Here are a few suggestions to help mitigate voiding issues. First, optimize your reflow profile. Adjusting the reflow oven temperature profile can significantly impact void formation. Experiment with the preheat and soak segments to minimize rapid volatilization of flux components. Next, check your stencil design and printing parameters. Make sure that the stencil aperture design, thickness, and squeegee parameters are optimized for your specific paste and application to ensure uniform paste release and volume. After that, check PCB and component design. Certain designs can trap gases more easily during reflow. Evaluate if the PCB pad design or component packages are contributing to the voiding issues. And then, of course, consider the solder paste formulation. As I mentioned earlier, some high reliability pastes may not be holistically designed to minimize voiding while achieving other performance criteria. It's important to choose a paste that balances all necessary attributes effectively. At AIM, we offer REL 22 as a high reliability alloy, which, together with our flux chemistries, is designed to perform across a range of high reliability metrics without sacrificing other critical features, including void minimization. Definitely reach out to our technical support team if you need more troubleshooting help or want to consider alternative product offerings.